Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to move an off-screen window back to screen in Windows 11 or 10 in 2026. So let's get started. Let's suppose we want to bring this window, as you can see here at the corner. This is hidden here, and for some reason I can't bring it back to in between. So if I want to do this, what you have to do is just hold shift, and after holding shift just right click on the window you want to bring it in the front. For my case, I want to bring this file explorer file in my screen, so hold shift and right click on it, and here you'll see move. Just click on move, and from here you can control it from your keyboard. Just move it from your arrow keys of your keyboard, just bring it to front. Once this border comes all the way in between of your screen, just hit enter. Once you hit enter, your window is finally back to screen. So just double click on this top area and it will maximize. So yes, this is how you can bring Windows back to your screen. So yes, this is how you can do it. That's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.